I love physics. I'm interested in psychology. I'm interested in biology. Those are the three main things I'm interested in. Since I was a child, I feel protected in the red color. That's why I have been creating red environment, because that is the place I feel most safe. This is Shihori. I'm originally from Yokohama, Japan. It's a seaport, very multicultural city. I moved here 2011 for my graduate school. Since then, I stay here and working as an artist. I'm actually these days exploring more purple and pink. So I make surfaces with papers. I place one paper, pour pigments, water, because I want it to be fluid. I think I'm interested in the relationship between physical and mental. And you create the first layer, which has, let's say, orange, but then you have the second layer, maybe like dark purple. And the third layer could be bright red. Because when you see somebody, you see the top layer, but you don't know what's going on underneath. He or she may look very happy, but maybe underneath you have darker purple, like something inside there. I'm trying to express that depth in individuals. So my work is a lot about like inside a body, cells, veins, sperms, eggs. It has fluidity. Psychology, physics, biology. I can talk to people through my painting because those three are very universal matter.